We'd like to be the first to welcome you to Dallas-Fort Worth, where we have an early arrival of 8:18. As a reminder, please stay seated with your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign is off and keep the aisle clear of all items. Don't forget to check your seat back pocket and surrounding area to ensure you have all your belongings like cell phones, tablets, or chargers. And when you open the overhead compartment, please be careful as items may have shifted in flight. You may now use your cell phone as we make our way to the gate. Arrival gate will be Terminal A, Gate 835. And if Dallas-Fort Worth is your final destination, you can retrieve your checked luggage on baggage carousel A29. We know you have a choice in airlines, so whether you're staying here in Dallas-Fort Worth or passing through, we do thank you for choosing American Airlines to be a part of your journey because you are a one-way flight. And if you have a connection out of a different terminal,